today's complex and ever-changing environment, building owners and facility directors face numerous energy challenges. Failure to properly control, meter, operate buildings and facilities, and maximize revenue through tenant submetering can be very costly, both in terms of energy efficiency and repairs. As a building owner or facility director, you need an approach to energy efficiency that considers your whole system and adapts as your environments change. utiliVisor has over 40 years of proven experience delivering energy insights and providing continuous performance, operations monitoring, and submetering solutions to many institutional and commercial clients. We deliver holistic, engineering-driven solutions for submetering and energy plant operations. Our approach is engineered to maximize your opportunities for energy savings and efficiencies. You'll be in good company when you choose utiliVisor. Our clients span a wide range of universities, hospitals, multi-use buildings, and commercial facilities. Our clients consistently experience 12 to 20% savings with the potential for further savings in the future, thanks to our ongoing supervision of operations and systems. Contact us today for a consultation with one of our expert advisors to explore how our unique approach can help you achieve your goals. utiliVisor, energy insights for sustainable efficiency and cost reduction.